Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tours on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh edition. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels with a multi-spoke finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 75 miles. On a 7kW charger, it can take up to 5 hours to charge, and on a rapid charge to 80%, it can take up to 40 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find a Polino Windsor leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, really adding a feel of luxury. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. The car also features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use either Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, your terrain response modes, ride height, and of course your weight sensing. All these different features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on. To help furthermore, the vehicle features a 360 view camera with an off-road feature to help navigate that difficult terrain. You of course also have the on-road feature, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And for additional help, you also have your park assist, whether this is to help you park in a space or perhaps leave one. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh edition. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.